this one's called clean sheet. Why? Cause I'm starting afresh. Yes, a mantis liquid or fresh. Yes, Air Force One is a crap. And this one's called clean sheet, bro. Why? Cause I'm starting afresh. Yes, man still looking all fresh. Yes, Air Force One is a crap. I been hitting gym, you punk. So I didn't really wanna cause I casual E. That is if it's long like a casual B. Man, I hit West End, got a stack on.
And here we have sweet chili chicken stir fry with white rice.
Hi guys, it's your girl Jade Thomas and I'm back today with another cooking video, and today I'm going to cook Chinese chicken with white rice. It should be a nice, quick, simple recipe, so let's just get straight into the video.
The main ingredients for the meal are chicken, red peppers and spring onion, sweet chili sauce, soy sauce, some Chinese spice and some honey. The first process is to wash the rice, which is what Kazi is doing thoroughly, making sure that there's no grey, murky waters. If you don't wash the rice, the food won't be nice. And on top of that, I won't be coming to your yard to eat at all. After the rice has been washed properly, the next step is to cook it, adding a little bit of salt as well as some butter, a tablespoon of butter, to make sure that it melts nicely into the rice and you get a soft, lovely texture. No one wants their rice to turn out like rice pudding. It's not nice at all. While the rice is cooking, you start to fry up the chicken, adding a little bit of oil into the frying pan. As you can see, the chicken is full of flavour. It's been seasoned with all-purpose seasoning as well as some chicken seasoning. To make sure the chicken cooks thoroughly, use a fork or a spoon, whatever utensil you'd like to use, to make sure the chicken is evenly spread out into the pan. Next, you add some Chinese spice to give it a little bit of a kick and give it that oriental taste that it needs. The next step is to add half a tablespoon of honey. Next, you want to use a spoon just to stir it around and make sure all the seasoning is mixed thoroughly into the chicken and is evenly spread out. You don't want your chicken to taste lopsided, because I think as a consumer, you'll be very confused. Quick little check to see what the rice is saying. It's looking lovely and soft and that. Aye, not no bullet rice. I like it, I like it. Make sure you taste the food in your hand and don't eat from the fork and put it into the same pot, because that's nasty. The next step is to make some more sauce. So you're going to add half a tablespoon of soy sauce into a jug. Alright, mate. Come on, thank you now. Next, you're going to add half a tablespoon of honey also. Gonna add some sweet chili sauce. Yeah. That's great. Then you're gonna add your Chinese spice. Add a bit of water. You give it a nice stir. Make sure that it's a consistent texture. Now, if it doesn't turn out looking like this, you've probably done it wrong, because that looks banging. The rice is done as well. Oh my word. It looks absolutely great. As you can see, the spring onion and the red peppers have been added into the pan also, to give it that top off of flavour. Last but not least, you put it all together on a plate. Make sure the presentation looks nice, because you know in life presentation is key. There we have it, mate. There we have it. Bob's your uncle. Top notch cooking, that is. Top notch. If you like the video, like, comment and subscribe.